Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you a smart WooCommerce trick that will save your ton of time. Managing order, notifying admin, assign couriers. It's slow and messy, but what if all this happen automatically? Meet the WhatsApp Courier Confirmation plugin and WhatsApp Notifier plugin. So, new order comes. Admin get WhatsApp notification with all details, name, phone, address, product, total cost. Admin type just confirm, system assign courier automatically. So, want to save your time and avoid mistake, try this plugin. Let's go jump to this video and see this plugin feature and almost all over this plugin overview. Let's go. To do this, we'll need two things. Number one is WooCommerce store, second is Twilio account. If you don't have a store or want to create a website, apps, custom website, then you can contact us. Our contact details are given in the video description. Let's go back to the main topic. After we log in to the dashboard, we'll need our plugin. I have given the link to win in my video description and pin in the comment. From there you will download it and go to the dashboard. Then go to the plugin, add new plugin from plugin, then upload the plugin. I have already uploaded, so I am uploading it. After uploading, you will see a new option in the dashboard. Click here. Now you see this Twilio SID and token. Follow the next step to get it.
I'm over in the console on the Explore Products page, and from here I'm going to click on Messaging. From this page, we have a couple of options. There's a Try WhatsApp button here on the main page, and over in the sidebar, there's also a Send WhatsApp message. I'm going to click the Try WhatsApp button to head over to the WhatsApp sandbox. Now we need to send a message to the sandbox number with the message join white butterfly or whatever your message shows on screen. I'm going to use the QR code to make this really easy. I'll take out my phone, scan the QR code, and open that in WhatsApp, which will pre-populate the join message, and I can just hit send. Once the message is sent, we see the results of that and we can try out the WhatsApp sandbox. Every process starts with sending a business-initiated message, and we've got some templates. There's order notifications, verification codes, and these are templatized, but we're going to send one using the appointment reminders template, and I'm just going to change the date to March 1st. Once I have that ready to go, I can send that template message over to the phone. Once the message is successfully sent, we'll see the response back from the WhatsApp API, and if we take a look at the phone, we'll see that the message was properly sent to our phone. The next part of the process shows us what happens when the user initiates the conversation. So now we need to take the phone back out and respond to the message. I'll just tap the confirm button to send confirm back to the sandbox, and we can confirm here in the body field that we received the message correctly in the sandbox. Since this is a user-initiated conversation, we don't have to respond with a template this time, so I'll respond with, "Thank you for confirming your appointment. See you on March 1st at 3 p.m. Now if I hit send your reply, we'll see the response from sending the message, and if I pull out my phone, we'll see that it was properly delivered to my phone inside of WhatsApp. Now that you've been successful with the sandbox, you're probably wondering how you can get started with your own Twilio number and sending using your own WhatsApp sender.
After completing everything, now you will go to the account dashboard, then scroll down a little. You will see this account SID and OAuth token. Copy this SID and place it into the plugin. Copy the token like a same set option. Now as the Twilio number, the number you will set from the sender box. The number you will confirm as your SIM card. Set your number. Make sure that the country code is there. Now save it. After saving, place an order from your website to check. Place order. Now see, boom, an SMS has been sent to our WhatsApp. Now if we write confirm here, it will be added to the courier on our website. This was our video topic. How did you like the video? Comment, and if you need any service, contact us. Thank you. Watching next video. Allah Hafiz.